Hello there, my friend.
Hello, it's been absolutely weeks since I've seen you last, Tamar.
I know. How have you been?
I've been great. There's a fish that you're a really big fan of. You love this fish.
Great.
It's your friend the kahawai.
My favourite.
Oh, look at him. Now, I've done me a little favour. I've taken his guts out, I've taken his gills out, because little birdie told me you wanted to cook this guy whole.
Chuck the whole thing on the barbecue, nice and easy. Feed the whole fam. The first thing we're gonna do is get some flavour into the cavity and the skin, and I'm gonna get you to rub it in some brown sugar and fish sauce. Rub it all over in the cavity and also on the outside.
Okay, yep,
Great.
Lovely.
And then we're gonna go in with a bit of fish sauce.
Splash all over the top.
We're gonna go for a bit of a Thai style vibe of aromatics.
Yep.
So we have some classic ginger here, you know, big chunky slices. Because we're just gonna lay the whole thing in there and just build like a little garden in its guts. So now we're gonna have some lime.
Bit of lime.
Thank you. We're gonna do the same with some lemon slices. I've also got here some kaffir lime leaves. You kind of wanna just do this. So we're just crushing it up, and then that's gonna break the cells in the leaves a little bit. Now you can immediately smell it, right?
Oh.
Yeah, the flavors come out. Nice big chunks of chili.
There you go, a few bits of chili in there.
So now we're gonna get some spring onions. We're just gonna take the bottom half and we'll use the top half later for garnish, yeah?
Okay, yeah.
Split these in half lengthways.
And you're gonna leave the root?
Why not? That is everything that we want in there for now, and we are just going to, if you keep it held, wrap her all up.
Lovely big package of kahawai.
Of kahawai. But we're gonna have some things to go with it, right?
Oh, good. You know, do a little Kūmara flatbread. What else do you have to go with it?
Well, I was thinking a nice, fresh, crunchy cucumber salad. Can't beat a cucumber. Really, all we're gonna do is take a cucumber, half down. It's gonna be cucumber and dressing. And that's all we're doing for this.
I have a feeling that this will absolutely slap.
Well, there's a secret ingredient that I know you love. Our favourite friend.
Oh,
The QB sesame dressing. And like the stuff is so flavourful, and you don't need a heap, but it's just gonna have that umami lovely flavour. That's it.
All right, I'm here for it. For our Kūmara flatbread, it's real simple, right? So we've got some cold, old Kūmara. We want it to be, you know, like mushy, it's easy.
Yeah.
And so we're gonna go in with like 1 part flour to 2 parts Kūmara, and you're just gonna get in there. You wanna get it so it's, you know, like doughy and not sticky anymore. Laid in a bit of flour over here, a little bit of flour on the hands, and now we're just gonna work this. It wants to be, you know, a little bit tight, whereas at the moment this is still
Like quite a softie.
yeah, very loose. So we get in there now. See how we're starting to take on more flour? We're not sticking to the borders we're rolling out. We want about, I reckon about 6. Roll these into little balls. Put a bit more flour on them. They don't need to be that big.
Yeah.
So that's about it. Like that's what we're looking for here.
Nice. Oh
Nice
yeah.
of that. And then before you put them down on each other, you want to put a little bit of extra flour in there so they don't stick.
Righty then.
We've got our fish, we've got our flatbread, so we'll go and get our fish on the barbecue, and then we'll cook our flatbreads and we'll have a little meal. So we've got it on a medium heat, and we have it directly on the grill because we do want to see it char off a little bit on the bottom and then caramelise and burn a little bit, some might say. Pop that lid down and we'll watch our thermometer here. We want to get it up to about 200 in there, and it should be about 30 minutes. 30 minutes have passed, and I'm going to be honest, have a look in there, have a little peep.
Oh, I mean, it smells really good.
Now grab him off
Yep.
and put him on this little tray here quickly.
Fantastic.
Fantastic. Just a little bit of oil in there. There we go.
Delightful. Oh, so they're going on the grill, not the flats.
No, we want them on the grill.
Amazing.
Put a little bit of oil on this side of these. They'll start to bubble, you start to smell them, you know?
Yeah.
So as we go, we'll just turn them. We're pretty much done here. We'll rip these off. So all we need to do now
That's stunning.
is get our fish out,
Yes.
and we're ready to go. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh,
Oh, yes.
Oh, look at that.
I'm just gonna really rustically add some spring onions on and around. Just finish it with a bit of some lime juice. Look at that.
Yum.
How's that? I'm excited.
I am really excited. It looks so good. Should we give it a whirl?
Please, please, I don't want to wait any longer.
Oh, look at that. Just take some of this stuff in
Taking
here.
the filling. Yeah, that's the good stuff, eh?
Well done, man.
The fish is
Cheers.
so moist. I'm in love with that.